Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to download a project from GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to download your or someone's GitHub project, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To download any project from GitHub, first of all, open github.com in your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are logged into GitHub, navigate to the project you want to download. You can use the search box at the top of the page to find any public project. If the project is one of your own or a fork of another repository, you can find it by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and then selecting your repositories from the drop-down menu. Now, open the project you want to download by clicking on its name from the list of repositories. On the main page of the project, look for the green Code button at the top right of the screen. Click on the green Code button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. In this drop-down menu, look for and click on Download Zip. Now, the project will be downloaded to your computer as a zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, you need to extract it. Navigate to the location where the zip file is saved on your computer and extract it. After extracting the zip file, you will have a folder containing all the files of the project. Now you can access and work with the project files as needed.